Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and protecting yourself and your loved ones during this pandemic. As most of us are home now, we have a lot of time on our hands, and I think this would be the best time to invest in your skin and develop a skincare routine if you don't have one, to clear out your skin, because you have all the time in the world to do that. So I wanted to bring you guys my skincare routine, both for the morning time and the night time. So if you haven't seen my previous video, I did an ASOS haul and I got some skincare products, mostly from The Ordinary from ASOS, and I wanted to show you guys how I incorporated some of those things in my routine. And so here we are. So if you're interested in knowing about some of the products I use and how I use them, keep on watching. So the first step in my routine will be to cleanse my face, and for this I use black soap. This one in particular, Dudu or Shun. It's very common in Nigeria. So basically, my bathroom is very ugly and dark. So that's why I'm doing this in my room, but typically this happens in the shower, okay? For the morning time, I use this spongy, I don't know what you call it, glove. And I just go ahead and cleanse my face. This is not working. There's no soap.
It's supposed to be clean.
I know, right? So yeah, I just go in with this sponge and I just cleanse my face. So you want to do this for at least 1 minute, okay? It's the 60-second rule. So yeah, I'm done cleansing my face. I'm going to go and wash it off and I'll be right back, okay? So once that's done, I just dry my face. I like to pat and not to just drag things around my face. So after washing my face, the next thing I'll do will be to tone my face. And this is the toner that I'm currently using. It's from Revolution Skincare. So I just spritz it all over my face. Yes. And then I just gently pat it in and let it sink into my skin for 1 minute. So after my toner, I like to go in with a serum, and usually I choose either from the buffet, the Micellar or hyaluronic acid. But for today, I'm going to be using the hyaluronic acid. So I just go in with 1 or 2 drops of the thing, and I just pat it in to my skin like that. And after that, I let that sit in. You always want to let your things or your serum sit in your skin or get absorbed into your skin for 1 or 2 minutes before you go in with the next product. Okay, just a tip. And you want to press it into your skin, not just rub it like this. You press it so that it gets into your skin. But after the serum sinks into my skin, I like to go in with a moisturizer. This is the one that I use from Anatomicals. I just take a very small bit, trust me, a little goes a long way. This is fine. And then I just add 2 drops of my resveratrol and ferulic acid. I mix them both together and then I pat it into my skin. Now my moisturizer has SPF 15, but that's certainly not enough. I have SPF 50 and sometimes I will go over my face with that, but if you're not using sunscreen, I leave it to God. Voila, that is my skincare routine for the morning time. Just a few products, and yeah, that's what I do for the morning time. I just add some lip gloss and I'm out the door, okay? So let's get into what I do for the night time, all right? If you know me in real life, you know that 95% of the time I don't wear makeup, but I'm just going to assume, just pretend I'm wearing makeup. So for the night time, if I just came back home and I wanted to take out my makeup, I'll be using Micellar Water So I just put a little on a cotton pad and I just wipe through my face. If I have mascara on, I just put it on the mascara for some time and then I just wipe everything off of my face, okay? And this usually takes off all the makeup. I just go in as many times as I need to until the cotton pad is clean. Obviously it's clean because my face is clean, there's still makeup. Anyways, after going in with the micellar water and my face is sort of clean, now I will go in to wash my face again. Not again, but I will now go in to wash my face, and this time around I use Dudu Oshun and my spinny brush. I don't know what this brush is called. It's not the one from Vanity Planet or anything. So this is very helpful because it gets deeper into your pores to pull out all the gunk and all the makeup that you've had all day. And when you're using this, try to use it for like 60 seconds or more because it gives your cleanser the chance to work before you take it out, okay? So I'm just going to wash off my face and I'll be right back, okay? And usually 2 to 3 times a week I go in with a mask. Now this depends on how my skin is feeling. So if my pores are clogged or congested, I'll go in with a detox mask. If my face is dull, I'll go in with like a glowy mask. I have a video on my channel about some of the masks that I use. I'll link it up here so you guys can go and check it out. But for today, I feel like my skin needs some kind of detox. So usually I'll go in with this mask if I'm lazy. But when I'm not lazy, I like to go in with my Bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar mask. So I just apply this all over my face. So Bentonite clay is very good with absorbing impurities and toxins from your face. And it's the same thing with activated charcoal. So it's very good at pulling out all the gunk from your face. So I just apply this all over my face. Usually I use a brush, but I can't find it, so we're going to use the spatula and make it work. Okay, and you're gonna look scary. So this is my face. Everything is all dry. I think I waited 15 minutes for it to dry. I'm just going to go and wash this off and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so after the mask is off, I like to go in with a toner and I use the same, oopsies. I use the same one that I use in the morning and I just spray it. All over my face, and once again I pat it in, let it dry, and then so once my toner has like set into my skin, I go in with this serum. There are a couple of ones I use at night based off of how my skin is feeling. If it needs more glow, I'll go in with something like retinol. If I need to tighten my pores, I go in with niacinamide. Or if I have like active breakouts, I'll go in with my lactic acid. But for today, I'm going in with my niacinamide from Revolution Skincare. I just put a few drops and I pat it in. Make sure to pat things into your skin so that it gets in there, okay? Please make sure to get your neck so that your face and your neck is the same color. So once my serum has gone in, I go in with my vitamin C serum. This one is the ascorbic acid from The Ordinary. I just go in with like 2 drops. I put that all over my face. Vitamin C is very good for brightening your skin, same as alpha-arbutin. So if you have hyperpigmentation and you're trying to even out your skin tone, try this one from The Ordinary. Get your neck as well. And then the last step of my night routine will be to go in with a moisturizer, and I'm using the moisturizing factors from The Ordinary. I just take like that much, and I'll just dab it in. I get my neck. Alright, that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. My skin is feeling so soft and moisturized, and I'm ready to go to bed. Okay? So yeah, that is my skincare routine. Please let me know if you liked it by giving me a thumbs up. I'll put all the links to the products in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me out, okay? It helps me out a lot. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, stay safe.